Viewers, in this video I'm going to make a short review on Wingsung 841 fountain pen. If you see, the model number is written in the cap, bottom of the cap. This pen, on the look wise, this is a very nice golden color pen, and to be honest, we don't know the life of this coating. But as when we discuss with our customers, they say the pen life is very good, the coating life is very good, and they preserve it in leather pouches and other things. So this is the outlook of the pen. It has a strong clip, and the nib is a hooded nib, and this is a dual tone hooded nib, and the ink filling mechanism is a regular rubber sock filling mechanism, and we can detach this mechanism also. This spare you can get it at our store. Okay, and I will tell you the maintenance of this pen. And if you are writing with less viscous inks like Parker, Schaefer, Pilot, and Sailor, and Noodler's ink, and you will get a very smooth writing, because the ink will flow more and more ink will come to the tip of the nib, so you will feel a gliding effect. Okay, and not only that, and if you use a less viscous ink, and the frequency of cleaning becomes less. In high viscous inks, there is a more chance of more dye precipitation, so that you need to have a frequent cleaning, like monthly twice you need to clean. And if you are not using the pen for more than 1 week, and you can simply clean the pen, and clean the pen with fresh water, and then you can store it safely. Okay, fine. And if your nib is damaged, or you want to replace the nib, what you need to do, just hold this one and then twist this one. Okay, and nib will be coming separately. Now it is a new pen, so it is it is having a perfect fit, so I don't want to remove that one. What happens on continuous usage, if you don't clean the nib, don't try to remove, because a small layer of that dye, precipitated dye, will become as a paste, and it will be sticking the feeder and the nib, so that there's a more chance the feeder also will get break. So don't take risk. And we will give you a hint, and then just if you want to change the nib or clean the pen, just soak the grip part alone in the soap water for a few hours, like 4 to 5 hours, and then again rinse it with fresh water, and then just try to pull with a towel or something. By twisting you need to pull, because there will be a thread inside the nib on the inner side, so it will come easily. And even then, if you suffer, and don't uh, uh, try with soap water, and then in your area, in nearby jewelry shops, and definitely they will be having an ultrasonic cleaner. There you go, and give it to them, and in ultrasonic cleaner, let us say, keep it for 10 minutes, and all the precipitated dye will come out, and it will be easy for you to remove this pen, remove this nib. And let us do a test how the pen writes, as I told earlier. And I am using violet ink of our brand, and you can use Parker ink as per your wish. Hi, my handwriting is very poor. Apologies for that, because I write only whenever I do ink testing, and uh, while taking videos like this, I will write, because uh, like everyone, the habit of writing is becoming less. But I am trying to improve my handwriting. That is the fact. So this is regarding this Wingsung 841 fountain pen, and if you have any queries, don't hesitate to call us. And this is a very rare pen because this company got closed long before. So whatever old stock they have, just our friends are supplying. And again, this is a Chinese pen, a very good Chinese pen, and the pen spares you can get it from our store. uh, Luckily, if we find stock, and we will then and there we will put this on our website. If you have any queries, please leave in comments, and definitely we will answer your queries. Thanks for watching this video.